Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. So today we are going to do another unboxing. So this time we are going to do an unboxing of the Nissan GTR Nismo GT3 car, which was competing in the Blancpain GT Series Endurance Cup in the year 2018. So this particular production is by Tarmac Works. And also you can see that this is from their Hobby 64 line. So the Hobby 64 line is their main collection when it comes to 1/64 scale cars, which basically focuses on racing as well as modified vehicles. So just to give you a walk around on the box, you can see the Tarmac Works logo. There's Tarmac for Good logo as well, and says $1 Hong Kong per car goes to Tarmac for Good, which probably is their charity. So behind the box you can see that again you have the logos by Tarmac Works. You have their social media details, and also you can see that this particular production is an official licensed product under the Nissan Motor Corporation. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, so you can see that's the box. You have both the ends opened so that you can have a really clean look all around the car. Let's take it out from the cover. Okay, so that's the collector card. Of course, these cars comes in limited numbers, so this is the collector card that you get as part of that production. Right guys, so that's the car. Once again you can see how much work has basically gone into designing and manufacturing this particular model as well. Once again, the Tarmac work has done a really great job when it comes to detailing this particular model. As you can see, if you compare the pictures of the real car and the miniature model that I'm showing you here, you can basically see the details are in fact intact. So there are no differences to the minor details basically taken into consideration when designing this particular model. Overall, it's an absolutely gorgeous looking die-cast model by Tarmac Works. You also have some openings on the hood. There's a tiny opening on the window. I really love the sponsor liveries and the decals on this particular car. The red color really stands out, and the marking on the wheels are also awesome. You can see the brake pads as well on the rotors of this particular car, so it is that much detailed. It's an awesome looking car.